the spot na yung kasal. Ano yung pili mo nag-fit ka ng gown na? Kasi actual na.
Pero mostly towards tayo sa then tayo was the gravitate towards pero okay lang. But it was the same. And everything worked on it. Same thing sa test. And so, try natin. Pero now with a black, with a white.